Hi! In this video I will show you how to connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts to the app. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Facebook account. Now, go to your dashboard and select the Facebook and Instagram option at the left sidebar. Click on Login with Facebook. This will redirect you to a modal form outside of the app. Tap on Continue As. Select the Instagram accounts you wish to connect. Click on Next and choose the Facebook pages you want to import. Turn on all the permissions. Click on Done and then on Accept. Finally, enable the bot connection for the pages you have just linked by clicking on the plug button under its names. Choose OK on the emergent window to confirm the action, and then OK again on the success notification. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.